Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Erica, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find the most popular pins on Pinterest in 2020. Now the first site you want to go ahead and check out is repin.net, and what this site does is that it gives you exactly how many times a pin has been repinned, the amount of likes and the amount of comments on a specific pin. Once you get here, you want to go to the more tabs and you want to go ahead and find whatever niche that you are in. So let's say I'm in the health and fitness. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to give me all of the trending and most repinned pins on Pinterest. As you can see, this one has 335,000 repins and almost 60,000 likes, guys. Now these are pins that you want to go ahead and repin to your boards to increase your virality score and to also increase your Pinterest monthly viewers. This is a very simple technique that you can use to go ahead and improve your Pinterest account very fast in 2020. So the next site I'm going to be talking about is Pin on Top. Now this is a Chrome tool, an extension that you can go ahead and add to your Chrome bar up here. And all you got to do is go to Google, type in Pin on Top. You want to select the first result. It's going to take you to the Chrome web store where you can go ahead and add this tool to your toolbar. Now I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do, guys. So this has been installed, and as you can see here, I have this little pin on top icon here, and I'm going to go ahead and use it on Pinterest. Now go to Pinterest and type in whatever it is you're in, and here I have make money. All you got to do is go ahead and click on this little tool up here. It's going to take a second to load, guys, so just bear with me. So once you click on the little tool, it's going to bring this box up. And what you want to do is go ahead and search by 2 pages because you don't want to keep it to 4. Pinterest already gives you about 60 results on each page. So you just want to choose the first 2 pages and sort by saves. It's going to take a while to load, guys, so you want to be patient. And once it starts to load, you want to go back and drag until you get to the top. And as you can see here, it tells you that these are the most saved pins on Pinterest. This one has 6,000 repins, 4,000, 3,000, and so on and so forth. This is a very easy tool and it's free that you can go ahead and use. Now I'm going to move on to the next method, guys. Okay, so let's say you don't want to go ahead and use the pin on top tool. All you got to do is once you search for your keywords, just go ahead and click on the pin. And you want to navigate to these 3 little dots up here and you want to go to embed. Now, what this does is that it gives you not the exact amount of time that pin has been saved, but it gives you a close number just until this loads as usual, guys. Okay, now if you scroll down, you're going to see that this pin has 2K plus repins. And this is a free tool that Pinterest gives you, and you can get the data on each pin. Now let's move on to the third method, which is by going to pinterest.com/categories, and you want to click the popular tab. So on this page, Pinterest is going to give you a few little boxes here at the top, and these boxes actually tells you which topics are actually trending and they're popular on Pinterest right now. Now each time you go ahead and refresh the page, they're going to bring up other topics that are popular as well. As you can see, it's changing. As you refresh the page, it's going to change. So I went ahead and opened up internet marketing, and these pins here on top, they're usually promoted pins, but you want to scroll down a little bit and you'll see other pins that are trending right now on Pinterest. You can go ahead and use the pin on top tool, and you can also sort these by the first 2 pages. Go ahead and sort it by saves, and it's going to give you exactly how many times these pins have been saved on Pinterest. So these are 4 different methods that you can use right now to find out all of the different top and trending pins on Pinterest. As you can see, this one has 26,000 repins, 11,000, and so on and so forth. Okay guys, so the final method I have for you that you can use is by going to pinterest.com, and you just go ahead and type in pinterest.com/topics slash, let's say I want to go ahead and check out diet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on enter. Now, once these pins here at the top, they're usually promoted pins. So you can go ahead and skip that, but you can also open up each one and you can use the embed method to show you exactly how many repins these have. Okay, now once you get down here at the bottom, these pins that you see up here, they're not only just trending on Pinterest at the moment, they are actually pins that have high amount of repins. So we'll go ahead and sort this out by pin on top. So I'm just going to do one page and I'm going to sort it by saves. And you're going to see that these pins, just until they load, guys, it's going to tell you that these pins have a lot of saves as well. So you do not necessarily need this tool once you use the topic string on Pinterest to find the top and trending or more mostly saved pins on Pinterest. So I hope you like this very short video tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your comments below. Tell me what you want me to create videos around, and I'm gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay awesome until next time.